Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. Welcome to your English online class. This is your English workbook, New Oxford Modern English Workbook 3. Okay class, I hope that all of my good students and intelligent students are studying well, and in our previous video we ended our discussion on page number 3, question number 2. We were discussing about the topic articles. Okay, now today we are going to complete page number 4 and 5. Open up page number 4, put your pencils in the hand and solve the exercise with me. Question number 3 is write a, an or the. We have already studied that a, an or the are called the articles. Yes, these are the article words where they are necessary in the following. Okay, you have to now look at these sentences and you have to write the articles a, an and the in these blanks. Okay, number A is in dash Atlantic oceans there are many dash fish. In what article will come here? In the Atlantic ocean there are many fish. There will be no article which come before fish. Okay, B is one day dash ostrich ran into our garden. Ostrich, before an ostrich what article will come? And one day an ostrich ran into our garden. It stayed in dash garden in the garden for a week. Okay, what articles are used in this sentence? An ostrich, the garden, a week. C is Hira is dash good dancer. Hira is a good dancer. She is the best dancer in the school. A good dancer, and she is the best dancer in the school. Because she is, why we use article the here? Because we are discussing on overall school. Okay, she is the best dancer in the school. Okay, Mount Everest is a very high mountain. With the first degree of high word a is used. Mount Everest is a very high mountain. It is the. When the third degree of highest high, first degree is high, then higher, then highest. Okay, with the first degree the article a will be used, and with the third degree of the word high, which is highest, the article the will be used. Mount Everest is a very high mountain. It is the highest mountain in the world. Okay, E is last week I went to see dash doctor. Which article will come here? Yes, the. Last week I went to see the doctor. Please pass dash sugar Rahil. Please pass the sugar Rahil. I hope that students you understand the use of articles in this sentence. Okay. Now we come to portion C, cat and mouse. A noun can be one thing, singular. A noun can be more than one thing. When we talk about one thing, we called it a singular. Okay, class? When we talk about just one thing, it is a singular. When we talk about more than one thing, it is a plural. सिंगुलर प्लूरल. सिंगुलर को उर्दू में कहते हैं वाहिद, प्लूरल को उर्दू में कहते हैं जमा. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड क्लियरली विद इट. In English, we called it singular for one thing and plural for more than one thing. Okay, class? Write the sentences given on the next page in the singular form. For example, one example is given to you, and these all sentences you have to solve it yourself. Okay? Okay, let's read the example. What is the example given here? Cats like chasing mice. More than, in this sentence, we are talking about plural. More than one cat, cats. Cats is a plural, like chasing the mice. Now you have to convert this singular sentence, this plural sentence in the singular form. For plural, we use cats, and for singular word, we use cat, one cat. When we are talking about one cat, it is called singular. We use it as a singular word, and when we are taking the word cats, it is plural. Okay, class, I hope you understand. Cats is the plural and cat is a singular, and you have to convert this sentence in a singular form. Okay, class, I hope you understand the meanings of singular, plural, and it will help you to solve these sentences as well. Okay, now let's start solving. A part is fingers have nails. Fingers is the plural, have nails. How will you convert it into singular form? Fingers. When we are saying fingers, it is plural, and when we say one finger, it is singular. Okay, a finger has a nail. Fingers have many nails. Okay, this is your fingers, and this is 1 2 3 4 5. These are the 5 nails on your finger. And when we are talking about the singular form, just one finger, it has just one nail. Okay class. Part B is tigers are fierce animals. How will be converted in the singular form? A tiger is first animal. Okay. C is shirts are made of clothes. Shirts, in it is plural. When we convert it in the singular form, a shirt, one shirt. A shirt is made of cloth. D part is pencils. For the plural, pencils is the plural word, are made of wood. When we convert it in a singular form, we will say a pencil is made of wood. Okay. Fish swim in water. When we talk about singular form, a fish swims in the water. For the plural, we use swim, and for the singular, we use swims. Okay. Carpenter use hammer and chisels. A carpenter uses a hammer and chisel. Okay. Houses can be made of stones. Houses. What is the singular form of houses? A house. One house. A house can be made of stones. Okay. H is small boys can make huge castles from sand and water. Small boys. Here it is plural. How will we convert it in singular form? A small boy. One boy. A small boy can make a huge castle from sand and water. Okay class, I hope that you have understand very well about the singular and plural concept, and it will help you to complete all these sentences very well. Now we have completed the chapter number 1 from the textbook, Dorothy Meets the Scarecrow, and we also have completed solving the work pages of this chapter. I hope that you will complete these pages at home. You will study well, and you also understand the concept of singular, plural, and article, which will help you in your future studies also. Okay class, study well. Remember us, all of you and us in your prayers. Study well. Okay class, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.